Greetings, and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. First of all, I want to big up Najee and my cousin Andre for the last few readings where we get. We're doing a series on signs, wonders, and miracles performed throughout the New Testament. And right now, we're in the book we name Acts. And so, if you want to build your faith, keep following. And if you want more people to build their faith, each time you click the like button, or you leave a comment, or you share the video, YouTube realize that something are going right here, so and them we share the video with more people. So go on now, click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you haven't done it yet, of course, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will not miss none of what are going right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the book we name Acts, chapter 5, from verse 12 to verse 16. The apostle them make enough sign and miracle happen amongst the people them. And the whole of them make up their mind to meet up together by Solomon porch. Nobody who never part of them group did mad enough to go join them. Even though all of the people in Jerusalem talk good about them. But more and more people believe in the Lord and join them group. Whole heap of man and woman. Seka all where did that happen. People carry out them sick come put them in the road pan them stretcher so that even Peter Shedder could have fall upon them. Crowd of people come from the town them around Jerusalem. Then carry them sick people and people with demon spirit did take set pan. Come at the apostle them. All of them get better. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.